to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from Miami at ExchangeETF Experience, meeting with the top thought leaders and innovators in the ETF space. Joining us for this segment, we have Jake Rappaport. He is the head of Digital Assets Index Research at Nasdaq. We're going to get some insight into what Nasdaq has going on from an index perspective with crypto. Jake, it is great to see you in person. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me.
All right, and tell us a bit more about the new crypto products that you're working on, and you also had a launch last week too, which is pretty exciting.
That's exactly right, yeah. So we launched the Nasdaq Crypto Index Europe last week, which is a version of our flagship index, the Nasdaq Crypto Index, that's specifically tailored for European investors. For those who may not be aware, the Nasdaq Crypto Index is our flagship product. It's designed to give investors true institutional grade beta. It's very representative of broad digital asset markets, highly liquid and investable, and quite dynamic. It also has very robust processes and procedures surrounding the vetting of exchanges and custodians, as well as specification for governance processes. Now, in connection with the NCIE launch last week, we also launched Nasdaq's Bitcoin Ethereum Index. That's a free float market cap weighted index across the two mega cap assets. We're super excited about it, and I'll mention that Hashdex will be launching two ETFs that are tracking these as well.
Oh, that is exciting news. What's the latest on the research side? Any interesting projects?
Definitely. So yesterday, in fact, we released a survey, really fun, interesting survey. So we reached out to 500 financial advisors who had expressed an interest in crypto. Some pretty interesting and surprising results. So out of all the respondents, 44% said that they have allocated to crypto or are planning to allocate to crypto in the next 12 months. Overall, 86% of FAs said they're at least considering making allocations to crypto. And in addition, those who have made allocations, 86% of those are planning to increase allocations further in the next year. 14% are expecting to hold their positions, and actually 0% are expecting to lower their positions. So it does seem that no one's yet having buyer's remorse on this one.
And I understand you're going to be speaking on the main stage here at the Exchange Conference, which to me is exciting that we have Nasdaq crypto representation. What are you expected to cover?
Absolutely. So I'm hoping to cover a wide range of topics. We may kick off really going through how we got to where we are today. So what's the evolution and institutionalization of the space look like? We probably get into what types of assets we're seeing in the market in terms of investor demand, how Nasdaq approaches index construction, as well as some blockchain-oriented topics such as proof of work, proof of stake, the transition that we're seeing with Ethereum, and then hopefully an eye towards the future in terms of understanding what we expect the next 10, 20 years out. So it's a fun topic.
Yeah, that sounds great, Jake. Thanks so much for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.